up YouTube, this is Jolo2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to do something a little bit different than what we usually do. And yes, it's been a little bit, but we're back at it with the action. So I think what I'm going to do for this Yeezy news now this time is kind of go on the website and show you guys. I'm probably going to do like a screen record and like show you guys what's going on with the Yeezys that are coming out soon. So right now I'm actually on the Yeezy Supply website, and if I scroll through, the first thing that I see, and I think it actually came out today, is the Yeezy Power Phase. This one right here is the Yeezy Power Phase in the quiet gray colorway. Right now, you know, it's $12.36 and it seems like it's still all available, and on top of that, it's a Wednesday that these are dropping, so that's kind of weird. But it looks like they have a full size run. Then the next one they got is the Yeezy Power Phase with the clear brown. Still suede, and I'm still not a big fan of it, but I mean, they have it. And then, oh my god, the third one is simple brown, another power phase that's simple brown, and all of these are suede, and all of them are $120. Now I don't really know who's picking these up, but if you do, good luck. Now these right here, this one is the salt colorway, and it goes into the kid size, infant size, and then you got the Yeezy Desert Boot Rock. Again, all of these I'm sure are full size run. Yeah, full size run. It's phenomenal what they're coming out with. Now this one is the Yeezy Desert Boot in the oil colorway, and all of which are not very interesting, including the power phases. I'm gonna definitely slide and say no to both of those. Now we're gonna go over to adidas.com/Yeezy, and right here on the home page of this we have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Cloud White colorway. Now if you haven't gotten the notification from Adidas, they actually have these ready for you to register, so the moment that you possibly get drawn to be selected for it, you actually just check out automatically and the app does it all for you. So this one is the Cloud White. I actually signed up for this one so I can do a review for you guys, but this one comes out September 21st, and obviously it's going to be $220 for the retail value. Now scrolling on down, this is a new one that was just recently announced, and this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the Citrin colorway, and that was coming out September 23rd. And again, that's the same thing where you go on the Adidas app, you can sign up, and you'll possibly be selected or picked out of the drawing so that you can get a pair. Now this one, all of these, it seems like the Cloud White one and the Citrin colorway, actually both are going to be in full size run, from adult men to infants to toddlers. I think that's how it works. Now we scroll down a little bit more, and now we have a Yeezy 700 V2, and this one fits the name. It's a hospital blue. Now this one is a different colorway than what we're used to. Typically we see like those, you know, very brownish colors like every other time that they do, or they go with straight white, but this one seems like a more of a blue tint, kind of like the power phases actually that they released a little while ago. This one right here, all 700s for me so far have been a solid pass, so this is no different. And of course we go down and they have the same desert boots as what was on Yeezy Supply. Now one other website that I actually want to try is the Yeezy Mafia one. Now the one that I'm actually looking at right here on the screen is the Yeezy Basketball. That one I'm super excited about, and I can bet almost any amount of money that these are going to be super expensive. Probably going to retail at maybe even more than $300, because if they charge the Yeezy 700s and those are low top, I can't imagine how much they're going to charge for this, especially because they have suede and everything on these basketball sneakers. But this sneaker in particular I'm very excited about, and I really hope I can get a pair of these, even if I can just do a review and probably sell them on StockX or something like that. This one is a dope one. But if we go to the home page of the Yeezy Mafia website, other things that we can see, obviously it says right there up at the top, the Yeezy 700 V2 in the hospital blue, which we just saw. That one is a solid pass for me. But these Yeezy 700 V3s look very intriguing. We actually just saw a video of Kanye West giving his personal pair off of his feet before they both got on their jets. So I thought that was pretty cool of Kanye, and I thought that those shoes look really dope. Let's see. This one in particular, I don't really think I like these much, but when it comes to like the colorway that DJ Khaled got gifted with the white and black, I thought that was pretty simple and it got straight to the point. Those are really dope. So right here, as you can see, this is probably gonna be the last one that I really go over, but this one is the Yeezy foam runner that has been recently revealed, and this came out on September 12th. Like, the pictures came out on September 12th, and I think it's pretty hilarious what they're coming up with now. I don't really know how that's really a shoe. It almost looks like a Croc, and that's what everybody's been joking about, that these are just some Crocs, some Yeezy Crocs. It's interesting. I don't think that this one is taking off, and they just don't look good on feet. They don't look good off feet. I can't get behind those foams. They really do look like Crocs, and I never owned a pair of Crocs either, so I don't plan on doing it either, just because Kanye had it. So there's that. Anyways, guys, let me know what you guys thought about this whole new setup, or telling you about the new Yeezy news. Also, this is a new setup. We got a whole new setup over here because obviously I'm out here in Tallahassee now. I don't know if this will be my permanent setup, but we got to figure that out together. So let me know what you guys think. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Jolo2TV out.